I would like to ask you about your opinion of yesterday report of National TV Slovenia about your contribution to this conference of Patria case in Austria, Slovenia and Finland. How do you comment this report of National TV?
Well, I must say that I have not seen that report, but I had just heard that it had been used somehow as if I had been supporting the Slovenian court's decision or so. But I think that in my presentation I mainly kind of described the big picture of these court proceedings that have been handled in Finland, in Austria, and in Slovenia, and I sort of pictured, made a bigger picture out of that. And of course, I don't want to comment in detail the Slovenian case precisely this point when I see that it has been already handled by the Constitutional Court as concerns certain deficiencies that have been.
So you didn't comment the Slovene case yesterday?
Not really. And I just learned that it will be soon handled by the Supreme Court. So it's, of course, because that's the correct way of doing things, is to let the Slovenian, let's say, courts check each other and see the quality of the decision.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.